Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can put your pictures on your Squarespace site. So let's get right into it. Now you can add images in a couple of different ways. The first way is you can go into assets over here, and then you can upload an asset that you want. As you can see in my asset library, I already have some photos uploaded from the actual Squarespace library, so they are not my photos, they are just stock photos. As you can see, they are splash images, and now I uploaded a picture I have from a previous tutorial, and now that is one way in which you can add your photos. So now if I go over into pages, have this empty page here, click on edit, I can add an image block, and then I can edit it and select which image I would like. So you can click add image and select from library, and as you can see, that image has been added, or I can select any one of these that I want. You can also go and browse the free images. You might have seen the tab right next to the tab I was at, and that is how you add images. You can just wait for it to load, and there we go. However, if I go and add a new image block, I'll drag it over here just for an example. You can click on this plus, and you can then upload a file manually from here. You don't need to upload it into your assets library, or you can select from the library again, go into free images or premium images depending on what you want, select your image, and then just upload it, and that should be it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.